The state legislature is the legislative branch of the government in each of the 29 states of India. It is responsible for making laws, approving the budget, and holding the state government accountable. Background. Article 168 of the Indian Constitution deals with the establishment and powers of the state legislature. The article states that the state legislature shall consist of the governor and the two houses, namely the Legislative Assembly and the Legislative Council. Powers. 1. Article 169. The state legislature has the power to make laws on matters listed in the state list. 2. Article 170. The state legislature has the power to approve the budget and financial statements. 3. Article 171. The state legislature has the power to exercise control over the state executive. 4. Article 172. The state legislature has the power to regulate its own procedure. Duties. 1. Article 173. The state legislature shall ensure that the laws are made in accordance with the Constitution. 2. Article 174. The state legislature shall ensure that is approved in a timely manner. 3. Article 175. The state legislature shall ensure that the state executive is held accountable. 4. Article 176. The state legislature shall ensure that the reports of the Comptroller and Auditor General are laid before it. Key responsibilities. 1. Lawmaking, Article 169. 2. Budget approval, Article 170. 3. Executive control, Article 171. 4. Procedure regulation, Article 172. 5. Ensuring constitutional compliance, Article 173. Challenges. 1. Political pressures, Article 168. 2. Complex legislative process, Article 169. 3. Managing conflicting interests, Article 170. 4. Ensuring accountability, Article 171. 5. Balancing constitutional duties with political realities, Article 172. In conclusion, the state legislature plays a vital role in India's democratic system, exercising powers and duties enshrined in the Constitution. It ensures that laws are made, budgets approved, etc.